MPAH 4A page 129. Let's look at question 1A. 5/6 of 36. So it means that 36 is being split into 6 equal units. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal units. And 36 is being split equally into 6 units. To find the shaded part, which is 5/6 of 36, we know that 6 units represent 36. So to find 1 unit, we are splitting 36 equally into 6 groups, which means that each group is a number 6. To find the shaded part, which is 5 units, it means that there are 5 groups of 6. So 5/6 of 36 is 30. Question 1b. 4/7 of 28. This means that 28 is split equally into 7 units. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units, 4 unit, 5 units, 6 units, and 7 units, or you can say 7 groups. 4/7 refers to the 4 units that is shaded. So we know that 28 is made up of 7 units. To find the number of to find how much each group represent, or each unit is, we split 28 equally into 7 groups. So we found that in each group is 4. Each group or each unit represents 4. So to find the shaded part, which is 4/7 of 28, we are finding 4 units of 4 groups, and 4 groups of 4 is 16. So 4/7 of 28 is 16. MPAH page 4A page 130. Let's look at question A. We can see that 3/4 of 20 means that 20 is split equally into 4 groups. So 4 units represent 20. And to find how much each group represent, which is 1 unit, split 20 into 4 equal groups. Each group represents 5. So to find 3/4 of 20, it means that we are finding 3 units, which is 3 groups. So 3 groups of 5 is 15. So the answer is 15. Question B. 5/6 of 48. So 48 is split equally into 6 groups. So 6 groups represent 6 units, which means 48. 6 units is 48. So to find the number of items in each group, we split 48 equally into 6 groups. So in each group or each unit represents 8. To find 5/6 of 48, we are finding 5 units or 5 groups. 5 groups of 8 is 40. So the answer is 40. Let's look at question C. 4/7 of 35. 35 represents 7 units. 35 is split equally into 7 groups. So to find the number in each group, or to find the items in one group, which is 1 unit, we split 35 equally into 7 groups. So each group represents 5. 1 unit is 5. So in the question, 4/7 represents 4 groups out of the 7 groups. To find the items in 4 groups, we know that it is 4 groups of 5. So it is 20. So the final answer is 20. Question D, 4/9 of 27. So 27 is split equally into 9 groups. So 9 groups, which is 9 units, represents 27. To find the amount of item in each group, which is 1 unit, we split 27 equally into 9 groups. So each group is 3, or each group has 3 items. However, in the question, we are finding 4 groups, or 4/9 of 27. So 4 units is what we are finding. 4 groups of 3 is 12. So the answer is 12. Question E, 5/8 of 40. So we can see that there are a total number of items 40, and the total number of items is split equally into 8 units, or 8 groups. So 8 units represents the 40 items. To find the number of items in one group, we split 40 into 8 groups. We found that in each group is 5. So looking at the question, 5/8 represents 5 units, or 5 groups. Since there are 5 groups of 5, it means that 5/8 of 40 is 25. Question F, 3/10 of 80. 80 represents the total number of items, which is split equally into 10 parts, or 10 groups. So 10 unit represents 80. To find the number of items in one group, or 1 unit, we split 80 equally into 10 groups, and that is 8. So each group, or each unit, represent 8. Looking at the question, it is asking 3/10 of 80. So 3 represents 3 units, or 3 groups. Since we know one group is 8, so 3 groups is 3 groups of 8, which is 24. So we found that 3/10 of 80 is 24. Now check that you have put a tick or a cross for marking. Check that if you have put a cross, then you should do corrections in green pen.